Harley Davidson store, and so this is in Hanam Dong. So I think he used to do a lot of business with soldiers back in the days when the post was here, right down the street. I actually walked from the post. Okay. So let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Harley Davidson. How did they say it? Harley Davidson. They ride the bicycles to get their motorcycles. Looks like they got a black SV out here. Let's see what they got. Let's turn around so you can see it. It's always been busy, but it seems to be a lot busier. This is a Saturday, though. A neat little setup here. It's a great one. How much is this one? So, holy shit. So this is about a $90 t-shirt. Imagine the rent in this corner of Hanamdong is pretty high. So these prices are astronomical for a t-shirt. So this is what something else costs. If the t-shirts cost damn near $100, how much are the jackets? Let's take a look at this jacket. This jacket is 1,288,000 won. If you get the currency, I might put it up for you so you see how much this costs. Nice jacket. But I don't know if it's worth $1,300. I don't know about it. It's a nice color. I like earth tone colors. This desert colored t-shirt, gray t-shirt. This is just t-shirts and that type of stuff. How much is this? This is 128,000 won. This is more down to earth. Still pretty expensive though. I know what I gotta do. I gotta open up a Harley shop. Well, not a Harley shop, but probably couldn't afford the franchise fees if they do franchise them, however they do it. But definitely t-shirts and that type of stuff store would make a killing around here as a parent to what they're charging for this stuff here. So how much these two neck gaiters. This neck gaiter is 78,000 won. Let's just think about it 1 to 1, even though it may not be 1 to 1. That's to the dollar. But it's damn near 1 to 1. Not what it used to be. The dollar, as I say, is not what it used to be. So this helmet is 488,000 won. Okay, that's cute and all, but you got the anniversary stuff, this being the 120-year anniversary. Let's see how much you're selling this jacket for. I don't know how much it is on the website. This is 368,000 won. Oh, wow. Open face helmet, 668,000 won. th anniversary vest. It's a white lady's vest, 678,000 won. I was actually going to buy my wife this on the website. 338,000 definitely way more. Yeah. Yeah, most definitely. Let's see. Let's look at these helmets here. Actually, just looked at this helmet at my local store. Look at the pricing. About to go see how much the bikes cost up there. This is 1,118,001. Wow. Guess it's good to live in America. So let me stop it here for a second.